Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve iPhone battery life. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to improve your battery life. So guys, the first solution is turn off location services on your iPhone. Open settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn this off, turn off. So after this, so guys, the next solution is remove unnecessary widgets from your home screen. So guys, if you have unnecessary widgets on your home screen like here, so remove all the widgets from your home screen like this. So guys, after removing all the widgets from your home screen, so the next solution is use dark mode on your iPhone. So for the dark mode, tap dark mode on. So after this, so guys, the next solution is disable background app refresh on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background app refresh here, tap on background and tap to turn this off. So after turning this off, and so guys, the next solution is turn on auto brightness on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. So tap on display and text size, scroll down and tap on auto brightness here. After this, so guys, the next solution is restart your iPhone regularly. So guys, restart your iPhone 2 times a day. So after this, so guys, and place your iPhone face down. So guys, if you are not using your iPhone, so place face down your iPhone. So guys, the next solution is enable optimized battery charging. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on battery health and charging. So enable optimized battery charging here. So after this, go back. So guys, the last solution is open settings, tap on general, tap on software. So guys, check for updates. So guys, if you have available any iOS update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. And so guys, use low power mode every time. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone improve your iPhone battery life. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.